Thank you for joining me. Welcome to TJ's Maths Clinic. Let's consider this question. If 2 power a square plus 2 power a square plus 2 power a square is equals to 48, what will be the value of a? Very important. Let's look at the question critically. We have 2 power a square plus 2 power a square plus 2 power a square. If we have x plus x, for instance, in three places, it means we can write this as 3x, meaning we are having 3 of x. That's what it means. So let's write down the solution and look at how we can handle this question. We're having 1, 2, 3, the same thing. So we can write this as, using this concept, we can write this as 3 of 2 power a square will be equals to 48. So it means instead of writing 2 power a square plus 2 power a square, we can write it as 3 times 2 power a square. Very important. So first thing to do, let's do away with this 3. Let's divide both sides by 3. Let's divide both sides by 3 such that we'll be left with 2 power a square will now be equals to 3 here, of course, is 1. 3 into 4, 1 remainder 1. 3 into 18, of course, is 6. That will be 16. Very important. Okay. Observe, if we observe this critically, the base on the left is 2, the base on the right is 16. And this 16, we can write 16 to have the base of 2 as 2 power 4. That's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 in 4 places. Of course, that will be 16. Okay, so it means we have 2 power a square will now be equals to 2 power 4. The bases are the same on both the left hand side and the right hand side. We can equate their respective power from one of the laws of indices. If we have a power m is equals to a power n, this implies that m is equals to n. Very important. Okay, so let's apply this law. So it means a square will be equals to 4. Our target is to find a. What will be the value of a? Very important. Of course, this is leading to quadratic equation because the highest power here is 2. So it means we are looking for two values of a. We'll get two values of a because this is quadratic. A quadratic equation has two roots, two values. There must be two solutions. So two ways to do this at this point. We may decide to take the square root of both sides. That will be root a squared will be equals to root 4. This will take care of this. We are left with a now will be equals to plus or minus. Anytime we are taking the square root of both the left hand side and the right hand side of a real numbers, we must put plus or minus. Square root of 4 is 2. So a now is minus 2 or 2. Very important. So these are the two values of a, or we may decide to we have a square equals to 4. This is the same thing as a square minus 4 will be equals to 0, of course. So these are two terms. Anytime you have two terms and is maybe what is separating the two terms is negative, know that this is a difference of 2 square. So this is the same thing as a square minus this 4, we can write it as 2 power 2. This will be equals to 0. Recall that if we have a square minus b square, this is the same thing as a plus b multiplying a minus b from difference of 2 square. Let's see whether we'll get those two values here. It means our a here is a, our b is 2. So that will be a plus 2 now. We'll multiply a minus 2. Of course, it must be equals to 0. Equals to 0 means either a plus 2 is equals to 0 or a minus 2 is equals to 0. So it means a plus 2 will be equals to 0 or a minus 2 will be equals to 0. Let's bring a here, a 2 here, positive 2 here, that will be a minus 2, or bring minus 2 here, that will be a will be 2. A will be equals to 2. We are still getting the same result. Whichever way, it will still give you the same result. So this is said to be the value of a. Find a. The value of a is minus 2 or 2. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learned colleagues and don't forget to subscribe to TJ Smart Clinic for more interesting videos. See you in my next video.